factory of 492. So 492, it can be written as 2 and 246. So 2 times 246 mean 492. 246, it can be written as 2 and 123. So 2 times 123 mean 246. 123, it can be written as 3 and 41. So 3 times 41 mean 123. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 3 and 41. So we can write 492 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 3 times this 41. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.